Okay, number one is a multi-step equations. We're going to use our 4 steps. It says 5 times negative 2x minus 3 plus 4 times 3x plus 5 equals 6 times negative x minus 4. So our first step is to distribute. So 5 times negative 2x is negative 10x. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. 4 times 3x is 12x. 4 times 5 is 20 equals 6 times negative x is negative 6x. 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. So after we distribute, we combine our like terms. So I've got negative 10x plus 12x. So negative 10 plus 12 is 2x. Then I got negative 15 plus 20, so that's positive 5, equals negative 6x minus 24. Then we pick on the smaller variable, so I'd add 6x to both sides. So 8x plus 5 equals negative 24. So now my variable's on the left hand side. I need to get rid of addition first in this case. So I'm going to minus 5 from both sides. Get 8x equals negative 29. And then divide by 8. And since 8 doesn't go into 29 evenly and there's nothing I can reduce, I'm just going to leave it as x equals negative 29 over 8. 2 is a proportion, so I'm going to multiply diagonals and then 4 steps. So I'm going to take negative 4 times negative 2x plus 4 equals 6 times negative 3x minus 2. So that's the multiply diagonals. Now I got to do my 4 steps, so I'm going to distribute, which will give me 8x minus 16 equals negative 18x minus 12. To get the variables on one side, I got to pick on the smaller one, so I'm going to add 18x. So it gives me 26x minus 16 equals negative 12. So my variable's on the left hand side, so I need to get rid of the minus 16 first, so I add 16 to both sides, which gives me 26x equals 4. Then divide both sides by 26. Now 26 doesn't go into 4 evenly, so it is a fraction. However, 2 does go into both of these numbers. So if I take 2 out of each of them, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 26 divided by 2 is 13. So 2 over 13 is the best answer. 4 over 26 is acceptable. Number 3, simplify the square root of 36x to the 20th. So we're simplifying the square root, and to do that we're going to simplify the coefficient, or the number in front of the variable. Divide the exponent by 2. So the coefficient's 36, so the square root of 36 is 6. Then I take this exponent here of 20 and I divide it by 2. So it would be x to the 20 divided by 2 is 10. So it would be 6x to the 10th.